Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sonya's Prep. In this week's video, I would like to share with you another Rosh Hashanah special of how I make my Rosh Hashanah honey cake. Over the years, I've tried so many different recipes, and this is by far one of my favorites. It comes out very moist and it's super easy to make. So let's get into the recipe and I'll show you just how I make it. In a standing mixer, I add in 2 whole eggs. And this recipe can definitely be done either with a standing mixer, a regular mixer, or even with just a whisk, and you can do it all by hand. So it is very convenient and it can be done very easily in so many different ways. After the eggs are whisked up for a little bit, I add in 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Half a cup of oil goes in next. Now to add in the honey, I'm going to share a pro tip with you. I simply spray in some oil into the cup, add in my honey, and it just simply slides right out, and it is so convenient and it doesn't make any mess. I then add in a teaspoon of cinnamon and let that get incorporated into the mixture with a dash of salt. 1 tablespoon of baking powder is added in next. I then add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a little bit at a time, and wait until everything is incorporated very nicely throughout. Lastly, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of warm coffee that I have brewed earlier. Put this honey cake batter into your favorite pan and bake it at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. You'll know when the cake is ready when you insert a toothpick in and there is nothing on it. To finish off the honey cake, wait until it's completely cool, flip it over, and drizzle on some delicious honey. Just look at how incredibly soft this recipe is. You could either leave it as is or garnish it with some nuts. I have some slivered almonds that I had in the house and I placed them right over the top, and it just looked gorgeous and absolutely stunning and delicious. Every year I usually make this honey cake in a loaf pan, but this year I just wanted to take it up a notch and I placed it into this bundt cake shape. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your go-to way of making the honey cake, in a loaf pan or in a bundt cake? My wish for everyone in this upcoming Jewish New Year is that our lives should be just as sweet as this honey cake. Lots of peace and prosperity in the world. Happy Rosh Hashanah from my family to yours.